Why is it that your money isn't working as hard for you as it could be? If you're still banking with a traditional brick-and-mortar bank, you're likely leaving money on the table through low interest rates and a host of fees. I know because I was there. I was tired of earning pennies in my savings account and constantly worrying about hidden charges. That's when I decided to make the switch to Ally Bank, and it was one of the best financial decisions I've made. Let me break down the top reasons why you should consider switching to Ally Bank, based on my personal experience. High-yield interest rates. The most compelling reason for me was the interest rate. Ally offers a very competitive annual percentage yield, or APY, on their online savings account that's significantly higher than what most big national banks offer. This isn't just a small difference either. Over time, that compounding interest adds up, essentially allowing my savings to grow just by sitting there. I love watching that interest accrue daily. It's free money. Zero fees, zero headaches. I can't stress this enough. No monthly maintenance fees and no minimum balance requirements on both the spending, checking, and savings accounts. I was used to jumping through hoops or maintaining a certain balance just to avoid a fee at my old bank. With Ally, that stress is gone. They also offer no overdraft fees, which is a huge relief. They even reimburse up to $10 per statement cycle for fees charged at other ATMs nationwide, on top of their huge network of free all-point ATMs. This makes it a truly fee-friendly banking experience. Amazing digital tools and convenience. Being an online-only bank, Ally's app and website are incredibly well-designed and easy to use. The digital features are a game-changer. My absolute favorite is the Savings Buckets feature. Instead of opening multiple savings accounts, I can section off my single high-yield savings account into different buckets, like emergency fund, vacation, or new car. This makes tracking my different savings goals crystal clear and keeps me motivated. Plus, you can get paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit, and mobile check deposit is super simple. Since everything is online, their customer service is available 24/7 via chat, phone, or email, which is far more accessible than waiting for a branch to open. In short, the switch to Ally was about moving my money to a place where it's valued. Higher interest, fewer fees, and superior digital tools make it a clear winner for my financial setup. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.